How to use YouTube to learn English. 5 steps to success, part 1 of 2. Can you study and improve your English language skills through YouTube? Yes, you can. However, YouTube is only a tool, and it's a tool that can waste hours and hours of your life if you're not careful. Yes, YouTube can be a distraction, but if you use it wisely, it can be beneficial to your language studies. The key is knowing how to use it. Welcome, lovely language learners. It's MORKSENSEI, and welcome to my channel where I give you tips and strategies for becoming a more effective English language learner. If that interests you, please subscribe. Today I'd like to share with you a strategy for using YouTube as a way to help your efforts to learn English. If you use YouTube thoughtfully and deliberately, it can be an amazing tool. So let me share a 5-step process for using YouTube. I will cover steps 1, 2, and 3 in this video and steps 4 and 5 in another video. The first 3 steps are things you should do before you start watching. So let's do it. Step 1 is to find YouTube videos in English. Since YouTube can be very distracting, if you want to succeed at using YouTube for learning English, you must avoid aimless watching or watching without a goal. My first recommendation then is to decide what video content you want to watch before you get to the YouTube homepage. If you already know exactly what you want to watch, it's easy. Just type the name of the video or the channel into YouTube or Google and use the link to take you to your desired video. If you haven't thought of a specific video to watch, however, it's a little more difficult to stay focused. You'll probably have to click around YouTube before you find what you need. This is risky because there will be many distracting videos you'll want to click. It happens to everyone, me too. One way to find videos is to change your YouTube settings to a country where English is the main language spoken. Your YouTube homepage will then show you popular and trending videos in that country, in English. Another way to find videos or channels that are good for English language learners is to visit an English language learning forum or online community, maybe one in your native language. You can ask English language learners and native speakers in the forum if they can recommend any videos or channels. There are usually several YouTubers who are popular among learners. After you get a recommendation, you can visit the channel or video to see if it's appropriate for you. Now, there are many YouTube channels out there that focus on offering you English lessons. These can be useful, but they are not really the type of videos I recommend for improving your listening skills and expanding your vocabulary. My personal recommendation is to watch videos about a topic you're interested in through English. That's not hard to do. The challenge is finding content-focused videos that are appropriate for your level of English. There are a few channels I recommend, and I'll provide details below in the description box. But just remember that you should choose videos that are really interesting to you. Videos that you would want to watch in your native language. These can include topics like cooking, exercise, makeup, fashion, current events or news, culture, movies or movie reviews, politics, travel, and so on. Step 2 is to choose videos that are right for you. Whether you get video recommendations from other learners or search for videos by yourself, you'll probably still have a big problem. What's that problem? The problem is the huge volume or huge amount of videos to choose from. Having too many choices means you'll get tired very quickly. That's why you'll need to find an appropriate video very quickly. To find a good video for your English language studies fast, make sure it has the following 4 features, rules, or criteria. Number 1, it must be a topic that you think is interesting. 2, it must have comprehensible language. That means language that's at your level or only a little bit more difficult than your level. Number 3, it must be short. Now, depending on your level, short means anywhere between 3 to 10 minutes. Number 4, it must have closed captions in English. Ideally, it should also have support in your native language, especially if your English is at a low level. These 4 rules are great because they will help you quickly narrow down or decide your options. If you find a video that doesn't match all 4 of these criteria, then ignore it. It will not be useful for you. If it has 2 or 3 features, then you might decide to save it or bookmark it for later. If it has all 4 features, then you should add it to your English language learning YouTube playlist right away. A playlist, by the way, is a list of videos about a particular topic. You must be logged into your YouTube account to create one. And yes, of course, I do recommend that you create your own YouTube account. You don't need to make your own videos to have one, and all you need is a Gmail account. And of course, you can subscribe to my channel. Okay, let me give you some information on closed captions. Closed captions, or CC, are an exact transcript or words of a video. In this video, for example, you can click on the CC button at the bottom of this video and the words I'm saying will appear. YouTube does this automatically for videos, but if the YouTuber inputs them, like I have, then they are better. Open captions are when the words I say appear on the screen right now and you cannot turn them off. Go ahead, try clicking. Nope, they're still there. Subtitles, on the other hand, refer to translations into another language. Either closed, when you have to click them open, or open, like this. However, for many people, the words subtitles and captions are the same. Step 3, get ready to watch. Now it's time to sit down and focus on the video you want to learn from. This may sound simple, but actually it's not. If you want to actually learn from your video watching experience, you need to watch it very differently from the way you would normally watch a video in your native language. First, you should sit at a table or desk ready with your pencil and paper and your computer or laptop. Don't lie down in bed or casually watch on your smartphone while on public transportation. You need to create a good study environment. Most videos you find will probably not already be translated with open or closed captions in your native language. Before you watch, I recommend you download a tool to help you translate YouTube subtitles. This will allow you to more quickly understand what's going on in each video. You won't have to waste time using a bilingual dictionary. One app you can try using is for Google Chrome, and it's an extension called Wise Sub. There are probably similar plugins for other browsers, however. Okay, that is long enough for this video. Please stay tuned for the next or the last 2 steps, which I will link to in the description section. Mork Sensei, signing out. Mwah.